afternoon. It's Miss Cheryl, the Christmas tree. And everybody loved the Christmas tree last year, so I had to bring it out again this year. And I'm here to talk to you about our 12 days of Christmas. We are on day 3, November 23rd, and I'm going to just give you some important details before I turn the space over to Miss Laura, my elf, who will talk to you about what we're offering. Please remember to go on the website and place your order. If you are a customer that is going to need to have shipping on your stocking, at the end of the program, any extra shipping that has been charged will be refunded back to you. Also, if you order a combined $100 over the 12 days of the program, we will give you a $20 gift certificate as a thank you for purchasing in our program. And anybody who places an order, one order per day per customer, will be entered into a drawing for one of two $300 gift certificates to the store, which we will draw live on Sunday, December 4th in the afternoon. And without further ado, I'm going to brush my branches away and have Elf Laura come in and talk to you about our specials today. Ta-ta!
Thank you, Mrs. Claus. All right, so on our day 3 special, we have 3 items on special for you today. The first one is this 18-inch design board. It's designed by Lori Holt for Riley Blake, and this is awesome. When you are quilting, putting your blocks together, it is a styrofoam board that has a sheet of cotton flannel on the front, and your fabric pieces will stick to it. So right below it, I have a block that is part of our Alaska quilt, and this is my completed block. What I need to do for this particular project is make 4 blocks. So I will assemble one, keep it on my design board, and then use the board to assemble the rest of the pieces. What happens with this design board is fabrics will stick to it, and it's a great way to organize your block as you're sewing. You just arrange all your pieces on it. If I'm going to be carrying this board to class at Colchester Mill Fabrics and Quilting, what I'll do is get a piece of batting, cover my board, and it holds everything in place so I don't lose any pieces out in the parking lot. Ask me how I know how to do that. So definitely recommend a piece of batting cut to size to put over the board to hold all your pieces in place. Another special for today is our little squares called alphabitties. And they are little 1-inch squares that contain, the package contains 26 squares that are letters and also 10 different numbers. And what you would do with these little squares is when you're laying out your block, parts of your quilt, and you're trying to organize the numbers, you would just put your numbers or your letters onto what you're sewing. So if this is my first block, I would just label that as number 1. If you've assembled your blocks in a row, this is a way to organize it by labeling row 1, row 2, and so on. The way the little alphabitties are held in place is with our next special for today, and that is with the Wonder Clips. So what we have here for our special is a package of 120 binding clips, which are a good quantity for using when you're doing binding. Hold your binding in place while you're hand stitching. Wonder Clips are great anytime you cannot use a pin for pinning your fabrics. In this case, pinning my number to the block here, the binding clips will hold it in place. So our special today, design board, alphabitties, and the Wonder Clips. And I'm going to turn this back over to our Christmas tree here, who's going to go over the specials for today.
Thank you, Miss Laura. And I am back with all of my glory. So today, day 3 specials. The design board by Lori Holt is regularly $27.98, and today it's $23.98. The alphabitties are regularly $7.99, and today they're $7. And the Wonder Clips are regularly $59.98 for a 100-piece package. We're offering a 120-piece package for $49.98. And if you buy one of each of the items, the design board, the alphabetties, and the Wonder Clips as a bundle deal for today, the offer is $74.98. I think my trunk needs water. I am having trouble speaking. I'm going to sign off for today, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 4 of our Stuff Your Stocking program. Bye.